designed aluminum build heavy enough to stay put no matter how hard you type. The ALT features a solid aluminum frame with a low profile for a streamlined look that complements any setup. At an ergonomic angle or lay your keyboard flat. Fitted with removable magnetic feet, the ALT seamlessly adjusts to fit your needs. Hot-Swappable switches. Ready to switch up your switches? Thanks to the ALT's Hot-Swappable PCB, you can swap in new switches on the fly, no soldering required. Customizable LED lighting. Keep the lights off. Dial in one of our presets, or customize each key color for a spectacular light show. Our keyboard case features a built-in diffuser to spread light evenly across the board.
Bring it,